Dakari Johnson able to recover with the block.
Blocking so many shots only gives your perimeter that much more confidence to really apply more pressure.
I got him. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Trap.
4-3. I don't know, Jay. They have a big lead. This game is just about over. You might not make many friends on the other side with that three.
Oh, I don't want to hear that generic coaching speak about dwindle down the shot clock, use the clock is your friend. No, if you have a chance to beat him by 50, beat him by 50. If you want to beat him by 100, keep shooting more threes.
Going to launch beyond the arc. Tough shot. He hits.
Look, that shot was going up regardless of what the defender was trying to do. That's called a heat check.
T to Towns. He's too good to leave that wide open. Defense has to communicate.
You know, from a point guard perspective, one of the things that I learned when I played in the league was that the more I was willing to give the ball up, the harder other players were willing to run to their spots. The harder the bigs were running to the rim. The harder the three-point shooters were running to the three-point line because they knew they could be active recipients. And when they caught the ball, they knew exactly what to do with it.
From long range, Robert Covington is long, and it pays off with the three.
It's easy to get lost in the chaos of the game down the stretch, but great awareness by the shooter to get those toes right behind the three-point line.
Now the Lakers are going to call a timeout. High fives all around. This game is well in hand in the final minute.
Got him. Here we go.
The Lakers get the victory as they cruise to win a game that was never really in doubt. That does it. For my partner, Jay Williams, and our entire crew, I'm Ed Cohen. This has been a presentation of the NBA on EA Sports. For more, log on to easports.com. As we say, so long, everyone.
Taylor Rose here, and I've got your EA Sports post-game wrap-up. The Lakers added a win with today's solid victory. And of course, I've got to mention how many times they scored from beyond the arc. They were so confident with the three ball, and it was instrumental to their success. The Lakers got their score from the guys you're seeing here on screen. The Timberwolves just couldn't get within.
Player of the game.
If you asked him, I'm sure he'd give the credit to his teammate and coaches. But at the end of the day, we know that he's the one that made the biggest impact on this game. See y'all next time. Jalen Rose, signing out.